Good morning, guys. It is June 2nd, and we are going to stop at Ross because like none of my clothes fit me. I need to get rid of more than half of them, and so we're gonna stop there and hopefully find me 2 shorts and 2 shirts. But knowing my luck, there's probably going to be nothing. But I will see you guys at Ross. Okay, Jessica, I know you're watching this. This is something, all right, Audrey, hold it up for me. This is something you would wear. It's like a little romper at the bottom. It's so cute. I might try it on for Jessica, but I don't know. Probably won't get it. Okay, so I'm currently in the short sleeved shirts, and I found this. It's so cute, but I don't know if I'll be able to pull it off. There's multiple colors, and I'm honestly kind of leaning towards the yellow, and then just wear like a white tank top under it. Okay, I'm struggling to find anything, but I did find this navy blue top with this cute little skeleton surfing. Yes, yes, yes. It is so hard to find anything. Just last week we were here and I could find like everything, but now I can't. I don't know. She's trying stuff on. Okay. Why is this in style?
Well, it's in clearance now, so.
Regina George would wear this. Nobody else. But if you do, I see this kind of like a rave type of thing, but for any like other thing, I don't understand. But if that's your style, go for it. I support it. Found nothing out of that. What the heck? Alright everybody, I just realized that when I was trying to record her like sliding the stuff to like buy it, it was zoomed in. So that footage might not be in there, and I apologize for that, but now we are heading to Target to get a clay, hopefully to find a clay face mask jar like type thing, because we are actually planning something for one of the nights that you guys have to hang on tight for. So let's go. Okay, so we are looking for clay mass and in a jar. and I'm pretty positive Target would have one, and they don't. Like, I can't find any anywhere, and the best that I found was like $30, and it's this pixie stuff. I don't want to spend like $30 or make my mom spend $30. What? Neutrogena. So we're just gonna keep looking, hopefully find something that will work, I guess. Okay, I found the TikTok clay, and it's a really good price. You just add water to it. Okay, I'm excited, so excited. So everybody, like usual, my camera died, and I did get the clay, and it's now the next morning, and we are getting ready to leave, and my whole family is like all dressed up, like with jeans and like a shirt, and they look normal, okay? This is the first fit my family's gonna see, but that's okay. That is okay. At least I'm comfortable, right? Yeah. So our car just lost power, and now we're sitting on the side of the road, and the car won't start again. But
64, maybe, you know.
I'm editing a video, so that's exciting.
We're probably pretty close.
Yeah. I forgot to pack some swim shorts.
Finally, after like an hour, my dad's here. Where's Grandpa? So we have to get this car onto the trailer, and then we're swapping vehicles with my grandpa. So that's always exciting.
Not swapping vehicals. Grandpa. We're gonna take the car, and Grandpa's gonna ride home with Dad. Yeah.
Alright, after a unexpected surprise, we are finally back on the road, and I got myself some flavored water. So I'm okay, I'm all good. But I'm super hot, if you cannot tell about my super red face, but that's okay. We're all good. So let's go back. Okay, so we are now here, and We found my brother's coloring book, and to say the least, we are making art.
Oh, hey! Dude, Milo, no.
Oh my goodness!
No.
Skip to this one.
I'm sleeping in the garage.
And ready?
Where the portraits are.
With his beautiful glasses.
Oh my god.
Oh goodness. You don't want to read this. You don't want to read the text that we added. Let's see if there's another one.
Oh my.
Oh, and Buzz Lightyear. I'm actually kind of proud of this one. I like this one. Okay, so it is the next morning and Jessica is finally here. And today is literally like nothing's going on except a family photo. But tomorrow, wait, what are we doing tomorrow?
We're doing, there's fishing in the morning, but I don't think I'm doing that.
I'm not fishing.
There's, oh my gosh, what the heck? I don't even remember. We're going horseback riding, and then we're going shooting. And I think that's it, but I could be wrong.
But I think this will be the end of today's video. But if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys all later. Bye.